Sree Sakthi Equipment's Company, SSEC, was started in the year 1980 by experienced entrepreneurs at Karamadai, a suburb of Coimbatore, South India, in a 5-acre spread of land, to manufacture specialized foundry equipments and integrated sand plants. The company truly symbolizes the hard-working and dynamic nature of the famed industrial city of Coimbatore. With a modest and humble beginning, the company has seen a phenomenal growth in its quality, sales, and clientele, and has presently come to earn a trusted name in the foundry business.
SSEC has tied up with Tokyo for representing them in India for high-pressure molding machines.
The manufacturing unit is set in an environment-friendly surrounding that employs a team of highly qualified and experienced professionals consisting of some of the finest talents in the field. The promoters have had tremendous experience of having worked in reputed companies such as Lakshmi Machine Works and a few foreign engineering companies which help them guide their engineers to turn out equipments of international standards. Constant endeavor to be in the forefront of technological innovations has made the promoters of Sree Sakthi invest in latest technologies and state-of-the-art machinery. Timely upgradation from time to time to keep pace with changes in industry and focus to diversification into a series of compact equipments has helped in bringing forth a sizable reduction in manpower and increased output of castings.
It is no wonder then that the company is ISO 9001 certified by none other than Bureau Veritas, France, for its quality management system standards.
The administrative office consists of able and qualified officers who maintain records of orders received, accounts, production processes, and delivery of equipments. The promoters engage in discussions with the supervisors and engineers to plan and carry out the day's work. Design. As soon as an order is received, work starts at the design department. Latest AutoCAD and SolidWorks software is used to initially design each stage of the production process. Highly qualified and experienced software engineers oversee the entire design department to bring out the best-in-class inputs of drawings required by the technical personnel for quality output of the end product.
The design head then holds discussions with the team leaders in detail to ensure that all design parameters are met with. Project designs are electronically simulated, verified, and only then passed on to the production department.
Planning. The approved drawings are then studied in detail by engineers to carry out the process, and a working plan is arrived at to finish the job bearing in mind the delivery schedules. Experts guide the engineers as to how the design is to be executed effectively to satisfy quality parameters.
The main factory of SSEC
has the latest world-class machinery consisting of milling, shaping, and slotting, plasma cutting and welding machines to ensure perfection in every sense of the word.
All safety norms are followed by workers for their safety. State-of-the-art
Machinery
help machining parts of equipments to the required shape and size.
Mobile and EOT cranes are used for shifting and transporting heavy parts from one machine to another. Electronically controlled operational procedures are adhered to ensure standards of a very high quality. Quality checks are done then and there to ensure that the design parameters are maintained with maximum accuracy. The verification of the design is carried out at different stages by the respective heads of production. Assembly. Assembling various parts of equipment is an art by itself. Steel sheets cut to required shape and size and welded to house other parts are carried out here.
All the products are assembled and dismantled for easing the erection process. Quality assurance. Assembled equipments are further inspected for quality assurance.
Technically sound inspectors check the equipments to ensure that the production department has carried out its work as per the design and whether they are in line with customer specifications and requirements.
Separate areas have been earmarked for equipments to be checked and inspected, such as electronic control panels and so on. Various parts manufactured to make shot blasting machines, sand mixers, molding machines, dust collectors, tumblast machines and sand plant systems such as intensive mixers, sand coolers, polygonal sievers, automatic charging systems, belt conveyors, mold boxes and jackets, pallet cars and so on are assembled here. The company also manufactures no-bake reclamation systems of various tonnages. Supervision at every stage helps quality of these equipments to be outstanding and world-class. Stores.
Systematized storing of the various equipments is done in a huge storing area within the factory premises. Each section is labeled neatly for identifying the product.
Adequate spares are maintained to meet the demands of customers' requirements.
Packing. Equipments are neatly packed in wooden cases for safe delivery by trucks to reach different destinations of customers.
Bilichi Melt and Cast Alloys Private Limited. Situated in a 3-acre spread of land, this factory is engaged in certain processes. Let us now take a look at them. This is a company set up as a separate division exclusively for manufacturing castings such as grey iron, SG, Nihard and other alloy steels. Cupola and induction furnaces are used for melting. Molds are made in-house using silica sand with additives such as bentonite and coal dust. Precise molds of different sizes and shapes are made to international specifications. CO2 process, green sand and molding processes are followed to make molds. Molten steel and alloys are then poured into the respective molds. Cranes are also used to carry the molten alloy for safety of the workers and for precision as well. The returned sand is reused for making further molds as well. Then the parts are subjected to shot blasting for cleaning of castings.
Quality Control Department.
Molding process is carried out by checking the green compression strength, permeability and moisture using testing equipments such as permeability meter, GCS machine and moisture meter. Molten metals are prepared using cupola and induction furnaces and then samples are checked using spectrometer for its chemical compositions. Faculty experts from Sree Sakthi Engineering College visit the company and conduct training sessions for the employees of Ssec. Let us now take a look at a list of the company's valued clients.
Canteen. It is said that the best way to reach the heart of a man is through serving good food. A hygienic and clean canteen serves tasty items to serve and satiate the palates of its employees.
Corporate Office. The corporate office has a full-fledged marketing team handling the marketing and sales of equipments manufactured at the factories of Ssec. A qualified and experienced after-sales service team attends to calls from clients and immediately lends support to their needs. The company has branch offices at Delhi, Bangalore, Kolhapur and Ahmedabad for effective functioning and servicing of its valued clientele. The director of Sree Sakthi says,
"We are manufacturing foundry equipments. We are ISO 9000 certified company. We are purchasing all raw materials from reputed manufacturers in India as well as abroad."
The managing director of the company says, with a skilled labor force, the company manufactures equipments and handles various turnkey projects to the utmost satisfaction of clients. Dr. S. Karthikeyan, Executive Director, he says,
Sree Sakthi Equipments Company, the strength of the company is that we do the foundry project in turnkey basis. We start from the concept and we complete with the completion to the satisfaction of the customer.
He says that Ssec has tied up with companies in Japan, China and Germany to manufacture specialized molding machines and flaskless molding machines to take its quality products to world-class standards. Currently, Ssec has been exporting to the Gulf countries and has installations in Turkey, Myanmar, Zimbabwe, Kenya and Sri Lanka. A fact Ssec is proud of. The company has also set a target of a turnover of Rs 300 crores in the next 3 years. Ssec manufactures numerous equipments for supplying to foundries and engineering industries throughout the world to augment their businesses.
The company is proud to have received various awards for quality and procedures followed in-house, which speak volumes of Ssec's commitment to manufacturing world-class products at affordable prices. Sree Sakthi Equipments Company marches ahead, making world-class foundry equipments and completing turnkey projects to the complete satisfaction of its clients and strives to become the single source solution for entire foundry conception to make India a prouder nation.